In this video, we are going to learn how to create a girl's marriage biodata in Microsoft Word in a very simple way. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture, select this and insert it. Click on right button, select in front of text from wrap text. Increase size like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Circle, drag it like this. Go to Format and then Align Center. Select No Fill from Shape Fill. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go back to Shape Fill, click on Picture, select Picture from File and Insert. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Text Box, drag it. Go to Format, select No Fill from Shape Fill. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Write girl's name here, select and go to Home tab. Change the font and increase font size. Also change the font color. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Select and go to Home tab. Change the font and reduce font size. And add girl's personal information in short here. Go to Format, go to Selection pane, select all text. Then click on Distribute vertically. Click on right button, select in front of text from wrap text. You have learned how to create a simple and effective marriage biodata for a girl in MS Word. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video. Thank you.